yet another bare naked face with Mr. Javita. It's been a long time. No, actually it hasn't. These days I always start my video with a bare face, right? So anyways, what I was trying to say is it's been a long time since we did a makeup tutorial, and today I thought we'll bring it back to doing a basic makeup tutorial. A look that's gonna look good on you no matter what your age is, your skin type, your skin color, your nationality, and it's also gonna look good on any sort of occasion. Whether it be a church function, your prom, your wedding guest, Diwali, doesn't matter. You're gonna look good in it. For me, this is my fail-safe look when I know I don't have the time to sit and experiment. And since it's the festive season in India, whoa, that was a lot of zzz. I'm gonna be focusing heavily on a lot of products that is available in India so that my Indian girls can recreate this look very, very easily. And I'll also include some dupes along the way for my girls who are outside of India also. So let's start our base makeup with the PAC foundation. This looks like the MAC foundation. I've got an entire review of this foundation right up here, so if you haven't seen it already, click. Foundation done. Next step, concealer. So I will be concealing my under eyes with the PAC Take Cover Concealer in M23, and for my hyperpigmentation I'm going to use this Sugar Stick foundation in the shade 05 Mocha. I have reviewed these Sugar Stick foundations as well, so if you'd like to see a review on that, make sure to click on the card button that pops up on your screen right now. Since the PAC foundation and concealer does not set itself, it's important to set this under eye area. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour palette, and I'm going to use the banana shade in this palette to set the center of my face. These darker shades all look kind of similar, so I'm just going to run my brush between these two and kind of set and contour at the same time the outer perimeter of my face. You know, there are times when I do this entire makeup in just 15 minutes, because once you have it all set in place, you know what products to use, you know exactly what you're gonna do. It really doesn't take time. Now for my highlight, I'm gonna take the PAC color cream in the shade Goddess. I'm just gonna use my finger to really tap this product so that I don't get like a big blob on my finger, and then what? I'm gonna go over the highest points of my cheeks, and since we are kind of gonna go for a festive look, we're gonna also layer highlight, so it's like ba-bow on your face. But of course, if you want to stop at this kind of more dewy, natural, oh, I just shine from within, I've got a nice heart, I just glow naturally look, you can stop at this. Ooh! And I've noticed that a lot of people have problem with the way I say powder. Like, really? You have no other issues in life that you have to pick on the way I say powder? Oh girl. I mean, if that gives you joy, you do you, boo. Powder. Let me say it once again. Powder. Now I'm going to take the MUA Luxe Whipped Velvet Blush in the shade Ritzy. It's a cream blush. I'm going to pop that on my cheeks. I'm gonna wipe off my Vaseline and apply this Stay Quirky liquid lipstick in I Woke Up Like This. Ooh, I like that name. And I like this shade. That's a beautiful nude on my skin tone. Now, let's get to the eyes. And for the eyes, I'm gonna be using the Sugar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 Stronger. Okay, that little sponge tip flew right off, did not make any sound while it did, and I appreciate you for that. I shall pick you up once we're done with this, okay? Stay there. It's a very beautiful, no-nonsense neutral palette. Now, if you don't have this palette, you can use any neutral shadow, guys, like the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. We've got some beautiful neutrals there and some metallic shades right there. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, we've got the neutrals right here and the metallics right here. Of course, you can use the Jennifer Lopez X Inglot collection. It's basically pretty much the same exact thing. I did a tutorial using this on my Instagram, so if you'd like to see that, check it out. You can also use the Sephora Intense Coffee Collection neutral palette. Any neutral palette will do the trick. Sephora is not cruelty free, by the way. We have a pale champagne-y, almost pearly eyeshadow, which I am going to apply right on my brow bone first. Oh god, look at that. It's a little too much. That's how good this palette is. Anyways, we'll tone this down once we get the whole thing sorted. I'm going to take a little bit more and pop it to my inner corners. Step 1, complete. Good job. I'm going to dust off that excess shadow and just blend this out to, reduce that intensity just a little bit. Next, you need a deep matte brown eyeshadow. If it is matte, well and good. If it isn't, oh well. And now I'm going to trace the shape of my crease with a thickly packed dome brush like this. It looks very, very fugly right now. That's okay. And we're gonna take that matte color once again, tap off the excess, and I'm really messy with this step, guys, because I just don't have the patience. Now what we're gonna do is take a slightly fluffier brush. I am using all Zoeva brushes. Now without anything on this brush, this is just like tinted from another eyeshadow. I just didn't clean this brush, okay? I'm just gonna go over the edge of this and really take my time and now blend this out. It shouldn't look like a brown rainbow on your eyelid. It shouldn't look like a Ra. My Malayali girls will relate. Take your time here and really blend this out. Now take a flat eyeshadow brush like this. If you don't have one, you can even use your fingers, but of course the brush gives a little bit more trying to say a little bit more precision. Yeah. Now flip your brush to the clean side and I'm gonna take this deeper, like a burgundy dark, it's still a metallic shade. I'm gonna take that on my brush and pop this on my outer half. Alright, now with this brush and no extra product, blend these two shades right into each other. I remember when I was younger, there used to be these aunties in church who used to wear beautiful eyeshadows, but they were so unblended. But back then I used to be so impressed because half their eyelid used to be green and then it used to be red and then it used to be white. I mean, Christmas spirit and all. But if you want to do multiple colors on your lid, just take that extra second and do this. Those eyeshadows will blend right into each other and it's gonna look beautiful. And my love, the eyeshadow is done. Can you believe it? My eyebrows. We cannot forget the eyebrows. Quickly fill in your brows. I'm gonna complete this look with a winged eyeliner. And if eyeliner is not your favorite thing, you can completely skip this out because remember, it's your look. Looks really pretty, right? And it looks like you spent so much time and effort on it when you really didn't. Now to finish this eye look, top off your lashes with loads and loads of mascara. Pop on a pair of false lashes if you would like. Some contact lenses if you want to have that Instagram beat and everything. You see what I'm talking about? If matte lips is your preference, you can leave it matte. I'm gonna add a little bit of lip topper. This is the Huda Beauty in the shade Charmed. Now what I'm gonna do is apply this just to the... Oh. And this gives it a beautiful... Takes it from here all the way till here. Now I'll show you how to transform this innocent Desi Diva look to that Instagram beat look. Are you with me? Yeah, let's do it. Firstly, I'm going to deepen up this eye look just a little bit. I'm going to once again take that same dense eyeshadow brush and dip it into a much deeper dark brown eyeshadow shade like this, or you can even go with this, This is the Zoeva Christmas collection, by the way. It's the All Night Long palette. I'm gonna start by stamping this right to that outer corner. I'm gonna take it onto our crease very gently. Take that same black and smoke out your lower lashes as well. I'm going to take the Stay Quirky Badass Kohl pencil and also pop this into my waterline. For lips, the beauty of this look is that you can wear whatever lip shade that you want. It's okay to have your eyes dramatic, lips dramatic, it's okay. Now I'm going to take it up a notch by applying this glitter topper from Iman. Once again, just do that Cupid's bow right there and to the center right here. I'm also gonna intensify that highlight because I mean, you know, we're going all out right here. So I'm using the Jennifer Lopez X Inglot Live in the Highlight highlighter. Oh girl, do you see that? Do you see that? And there you have our full beat for the gram. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you decide to wear this look or any variation of this look for this festive season, make sure to tag me on Instagram. Show me your pictures, okay? That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and I shall see you in my next one. Mwah!